What up, CE family? It's your girl Queen SG, and welcome back to the Continental Espionage channel. Now, I hope all y'all fine people are having a great Sunday so far. I am super geeked right now. A few days ago, I had a thought. I was sitting there and I was like, you know what? It's time for me to upgrade on the camera. Right now I've been using the Android phone, which is fine and dandy. But it's time for me to invest in my future. Invest in giving you guys better quality videos. Because that's what we doing it for. We doing it for y'all people. So I went on Amazon, seen some great reviews on this one brand, the Besungo brand camcorder, 4K camcorder, got a wide angle lens, got night vision, got a rechargeable camcorder, it came with a memory card. Like, it's a lot of great things going on in this box. So I was about to tear it up, and just go through it, but I was like, why not share it with you people? If this is what we doing it for, I want to share it with you guys. So we're going to jump into it, but before I do that, I just need y'all to do those 4 things for me. Like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and drop a comment. Let me know how you're doing. Let me know if you actually purchased this brand. Just say hello, down there. So we're going to jump into it and see what goodies we got to it. Okay, so first thing first, got this 4K camcorder user manual. I'm going to go through this. Got it in different languages. It look like, Japanese or Chinese. But, bam, got the English. So we good to go. If I run into any problem, boom. There you go. That's very important. You need to have these up in there. Then, you got the cord here. I believe this one is a little cord. You can hook this up to the TV, from the camcorder, and you can just broadcast your video straight on your 4K TV, which I'm super geek because I do have a 4K TV. So that's very important. Oh, okay. So I see they got a stereo microphone user manual. Okay. I think that's pretty straightforward, but who knows? I may need to double in that and figure this out. I may run into an error with this, but we gonna figure that out. But that's a plus there. They got that in there, Let's see what else here. Okay, this one here is another part of the user manual about how to use the wide angle lens. Now this I'm very interested in using, but supposedly it shouldn't be so hard, They said this camera is great for beginner vloggers, so hey, that's great. I'm gonna keep all of that together. Because that's probably gonna come in handy. Now we got the rechargeable microphone here. Oh, this looks crispy here. Got the different dials back here. Oh, I think that bug was on charge or on because that green light was on there. But I'm gonna make sure I charge that before I get that together. But that's pretty awesome. It came in this nice little white protector bag here, so we're gonna just drop that bad boy up in there. Alrighty. So we got this cloth here. Keep that lens clean. Voila. Got that. That is self-explanatory. But if you don't know, drop that comment below. We're gonna figure it out. I'm gonna let you guys know. Next, we got this lens here. Put that on the camera. I'll tell you, this is like a whole new world contraption to me. Boom. Got that lens there.
This is a dangerous group.
And I'm going to figure out how to put this camera all the way together in a little bit. Plus, I like going through these boxes too with you guys. Want to make sure that they put everything they're supposed to in here.
This is a dangerous group.
Ooh, I forgot about this. Came with a remote too. Awesome, awesome. Okay, I don't see any batteries with this, but if it is some batteries in there, that would be a pleasant surprise. Alright, so next we got this wide angle lens setup. So I can show you guys. Come with the 3 pieces to it. That one.
You think that was
that
cool?
one. And then this smaller one. That's going to be fun playing with. Taking different pictures, recording different angles. Should be pretty cool. Alright. Let's take that out. Okay, so I got the battery too. And the wall charger here. I believe you just pop that in there. Perfect, perfect. Lights up green. Plug that in the wall. Nice travel charger. Okay, then it comes with some additional cords to it. I'm assuming to the mic, to the camcorder itself. I know one of these probably
dangerous group
hook up to
that we're dealing with now.
a wall charger. Yeah, that's probably what that's for. A little wall charger. Or something. To the camcorder. I'm gonna figure it out. Then you got another little lens angle here. Cool, cool. Alright. And got the whole memory card set up here for the computer and for the camcorder. It's the 32 one. And we're down to the final item out the box. Oh, I didn't even show you what the box looks like too. This is how you know you got the right one. It's gonna say the Night Shot Wi-Fi network, 4K resolution, beauty camera with touch panel. Awesome, awesome. See, a few things that I didn't even know. These are just bonus. So if you see this on Amazon, this is the right one, but I'm also going to drop that link too. We're going to take this camcorder out of this little bag. Comes with a nice little trendy little bag for it.
Due to some violent content, parental discretion is advised.
Awesome, awesome. Got the little slide. You can hold that mug.
That we're dealing with now.
Oh, and pop it open. Got a little bit of everything on there. Okay, so this is for the wall charger. Let me put that up in there. Probably gonna have to charge a little bit more. Just so you guys can check it out. Oh, this is nice little quality right here. Okay, okay. Y'all probably can't really see too much. Just a little bit there.
You think that was cool?
But this is gonna be the bad boy I'm gonna be using. I'll probably still do a little shots here and there with the Android, get different angles, but nice investment here. Wasn't too much. If you're trying to invest in your future, you're trying to start this YouTube vlogging, you gotta get this bad boy. It comes with everything you need. So I'm gonna play around with this. I mean, that sounds just, it sounds so crispy. Got the power, the menu, got the night vision button, the timer here, and this mug is just touchscreen, just more than what I thought I was gonna get. I tell you, I just thought it was gonna be a camera you push record, but this little thing is worth the money. Money worth. Spit well. Money spit well. So I'm gonna start playing around with this thing here. But I'm happy you guys were along for the ride while I figured this whole thing out. Probably gonna give you guys an update, you know, let you know how the camera's going. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and like I said, be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification button. Stay up to date to our more videos, our other videos that we're gonna be releasing.
You think that was cool?
And I hope you guys have a great day. Till next time.
I want the world and everything in it, Chico. The world is mine. I think a Scarface. Yeah, I think a Scarface. Yeah, Rose. I want the world and everything in it, Chico. The world is mine. I think a Scarface. Yeah, I think a Scarface. Yeah, Rose.
Espionage.